Okay, guys, I know it's been a minute, but I'm back with another one. A weird one, but another one. First of all, before I get to the video, as you see it playing in the background, this is the importance of having a man in your life. And not that, I can do it on my own, I can do it on my own, or at least having a father in your life. Because this right here, it's pretty much a no-brainer even if you didn't have any man in your life. This is nuts. I mean, it's just obviously wrong. You know? That's the whole point. The damn vehicle even got windows. But if you go by what the hell she's doing, you might as well leave the windows down when it's raining. Why roll them up? But my point is, she's literally power washing, which is high pressured water. It don't even rain this hard. It's like super monsoon level pressure that she's shooting all in the car and every fucking where. You know? I can't imagine it. I can't imagine it. It's unbelievable the level of ignorance people are dealing with these days. But anyway, with no further ado, I'm gonna let you hear the actual fucking video. Oh my God.
Blijf staan, Henk. Blijf staan. Daar is hij. Huh? Huh? Taukta. Ste oli taukta sanoin tepat. Jetzt sollte mal Innenreinigung. Doch immer die Scheiben noch gespritzt innen. Ui, der Fuchs. Ha? Ja, da ein Gelo. Wollen wir auch noch schauen? Schau, die Windschutzscheiben kann gewaschen. Ui, der hat drüben ausgespritzt gegeben.
I'm back. Get in the comments. I'm dying to hear everybody's opinions about this. So be sure to like, share, and subscribe right now to the channel, especially if you're new to this channel. And I'm off to another one. Peace.